Alright, about 5:45 on Sunday. I'm approaching Tallmadge Avenue. I think about the same spot we did last night. Hi. Come on. Dog's still being a freak. Come on. You can see it does not look like Tallmadge has been plowed. Come on, they're just going to their car. Leave them alone. Don't grab your leash. Here she is grabbing her leash again. Come on. Why do you do this as soon as I turn on the camera? She's an absolute freak in the snow. Alright, here. You've only got like 6 inches. There we go. That'll burn ya. There we go. Like up to the feet leg and up to my boots. Bees is buried in snow. Yeah, we have drifting going on. I don't know if you can see the snow blowing. It's like just blowing like straight across. Very. No, they don't even have. Oh, look at that. They don't even have a red light, and they're like. Goodness. Oh, they like see how it blew. Oh, that was cool. Snowdrifts are pretty. As long as you're not out in them. Oh, she's getting freakish again. That would be the husky in her. But I don't know if they're delivering or stuck. I don't know. But that's our blizzard report.